forgot the olives! Mother... I forgot the olives! I forgot the olives! Oh. Top with olives. Top with olives. Hi. That's a long time.
It is sizzling. One of the reasons I wanted to make this video because it involved baking. But we could have just stuck it under the broiler, and the picture in the ad didn't even show the olives, and I didn't put any salt on it because Spam's really salty. Boy, I almost forgot the olives. Oh. 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 Whoa. Oh. The picture they showed, the cheese looked barely melted. This is in the oven for 20 minutes at 400. Why is it tilted like that? How do I untilt it? There you go. All right, can we take the top off? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, 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 hey. Also in the ad, the Spam looked toasty. We would get toasty Spam if we open face broiled it, but I followed the directions. We have to take a bite. That's why we're here. It would have been nice to get some toasty on that Spam. Let's take a bite. Let's do it. 1959. Pizza Spam Pam. Which? 1959. Pizza SPAM-wich. That's pretty darn tasty. Boy, this would have been really good under the broiler. Is it too late? Let's take another bite. I might stick it under the broiler. Let's take another. That was pretty darn tasty, though, I gotta say. All right, broiler pan. It said wrap securely in foil. Did it mean open? If the top is on it, it still wouldn't toast the Spam. Why not? It'll melt the cheese a little more and we can toast the top. I might be able to put that in the fridge, leave the top off, and we can broil it tomorrow. Alright. The cheese is toasty. Spam didn't get very toasty. Put you back on there. Let's take a bite of this one. See if I can. It's really tasty. It's really tasty. It's really tasty. Sure, it's not toasty like the picture, but this is actually very tasty. I do think I will make this again, just not quite their way. I'm good with the olive oil. The olives are delicious. You could fry the Spam first, then put it in, wrap it up, and bake it. I don't know. What do you think? I don't know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Don't chew with your mouth full. Thanks for watching.